Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to another video here on my channel. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. Today's video, I'm going to be bringing you into my planner. For those that do not know, I've gone through this whole planner switcheroo over the past month, and I am currently inside of an A5. I put this planner together myself. I'll have a playlist linked below for you guys to check out of the entire process. But I wanted to bring you guys inside of my weekly view just to share with you guys some of the things that I write in, because I don't write down every single thing, but also if I have a longer list that I need to write out, kind of like the one that I'm working on now, how I go about doing that as well. So my typical process, I put my videos at the top, and then if I am working out of my home for that week, I'll put that right underneath. The top priority that I have on Mondays right now are my swim classes, so those are marked for the entire month. And then any other odds and ends that I have this week was primarily about cleaning. Anytime my grandmother goes out of town, I like to clean. And I like to clean because I don't have her here asking me questions. My grandma is 87 years old and she has accumulated a lot of things over time. And it's just really easier for me to get through the process of cleaning without her saying, oh, I need to look at that. Oh, I need to look at that. Now, I don't trash everything, but I kind of can go through weeding through things that she would save, such as, I don't know, magazines that she would save a crap load of, and you know, I can just weed those out. Some I know that she would want to look at. She loves Oprah magazine. She loves the House Home Beautiful, whichever one that is. But the People magazines, the tabloid magazines, my grandmother is not into tabloids, so I'll take a look at them and then I'll end up recycling them. Also, a lot of the magazines that we have, we do donate them to our church. But I mean, some of these go back to like 2016. Yes, that's how bad it is. But anyway, I decided to use the, for my cleaning this week, I decided to use the household stickers from Happy Planner. I do have a chore chart, which I used as a guide. And I do have a video on this. My chore chart is broken into daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. What I'm doing right now is basically like the monthly cleaning, but I just wanted to show you really quickly how I have made it work inside of my planner. So on Tuesday, I did two key things. I cleaned my living room and my dining room, which are both downstairs. Then Wednesday, I moved upstairs into the bathroom. I had to finish cleaning that. Then Thursday, I made my cleaning action plan of what I wanted to get done, but then I decided that I'm going to get it done this weekend. For one, because I'm not going to be leaving the house this weekend. I'll be really surprised if I do. But with this heat wave, honey, I don't think that I am. I really don't think that I'm going to be leaving my home. Now, I'm centralizing myself in one area of my house. PSE&G did send out an email about how they've upgraded the infrastructure and how with the heat, make sure that you don't have your air conditioners on in rooms that are not being occupied. So I am staying in one room, which is actually my guest room. I'm not even staying in my room or my office because it's on the top floor and it's really, really hot up here. People that have attics, you know that it can get really, really hot. So I'm staying on the second floor, which is close to the bathroom. I have the quicker access to the kitchen when I want to get there. I have everything that I need set up in my guest room, and that is that. And also the areas that I want to clean are up here. So I'm going to try to get any cleaning in my office and bedroom done early Saturday and Sunday morning, because come like 10 o'clock, I'm going to be tapped out and doing whatever I can inside of the guest room. So that's my game plan. So Here I have my to clean list with all of the areas that I want to clean. I started out with my office because this is where I first was. So I have clear floor, make a donate and a de-stash pile, and then take out the trash and the recycle. The trash and the recycle I'm going to try to get out today, which is Friday, but it's already like super duper hot. So that might wait until early tomorrow morning. And I mean early because I'm going to sleep earlier, and in going to sleep earlier, I'm waking up earlier, which gives me more time to do things around the house. So then for my bathroom, I need to Swiffer the floor. I also need to clean my shower. I need to put down rugs. And I need to fold towels and the washcloths. Other than that, the bathroom is pretty good. The other thing that I have is my bedroom, which I need to change my sheets, laundry to basement, put away folded clothes. And yes, I'm the person that needs to make a detailed list. I always have been. And then I just need to clear the floor, plus my dresser. All right, so that's that. And this sheet is actually from a mini happy planner. I had this when I was doing my countdown to the Planning a Better Me retreat. That video, I ended up not using the whole page, so I just cut off the top and I turned this so that I'm not wasting it into just my little cleaning list. So I've done the top 3. Now for downstairs, I need to Swiffer the kitchen floor, no dirty dishes, and then I also need to bring bags to storage closet, all the stuff that I've purged, move, donate piles, donate bags to entryway, and label those. I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I need there. No. And then for my guest room, I need to make the beds. Figure out what's staying and what's going. And I need to clear the dresser and clean out drawers. So this is going to be like at the peak hour when it's really, really hot. I'm going to be doing the stuff in the guest room. And then last but not least is my laundry. I need to wash and fold and put away. And that is it. So I like these stickers here because I'm able to just target the areas that I want to get done. And even though I have a more detailed to clean list here, just looking at this on regular days that I want to just have a snapshot of rooms that I need to get to, it's like boom, 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 boom. So this is my more detailed list, but here, once I'm done with all this stuff, I can go in and just start checking things off. A lot of this I have been doing for the past 2-3 days. Again, I'm in that overhaul, I should say, of cleaning the house. So that is it. That is a day. Well, not a day. That is a look into my cleaning schedule based on my chore chart. Again, I'll have all that stuff linked for you to check out. But that wraps it up for this video. I just wanted to share my process with you guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out all the links that I'll have in the description box, which includes the link to my blog, chaoticcritic.com, and my Instagram at chaoticcritic. Let me know, how do you guys go about cleaning and everything? Do you make a list? Is it written down? Is it on your phone? For me, writing it down it's just something about checking it off that keeps me motivated. And if you guys have a playlist that you listen to or a show that you watch, like have in the background when you're cleaning, I'd love to hear that in the comment section as well. But that wraps it up. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And as always, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.